everybody and welcome back to Cooking with Lauralee. I am Lauralee. I have a very short video for you today. I will show you how I make one of my homemade cranberry sauce. So if you're tired of making the same old thing or opening up a can, you want to try something different, then check out my video because you came to the right place. Okay, do you see this consistency is starting to kind of get syrupy? Here I put cranberry sauce and orange juice, but this year I was really trying to keep it light and not get all of the things just because it's us today. That's a nice consistency, so I'm going to add the stuff and then the sugar. I have a pear and 2 oranges. Here was some leftover raspberries. We actually went to the beach yesterday and thought we were going to eat them all. Didn't. So you know how it goes. If you don't eat these, they start to go bad and get mushy. So we're going to use this up today.